We're here in the premium ensuite room. It's got plenty of storage and everything you need for a great stay. There's a wardrobe for your clothes and a large bookcase that you can put your things on. There's a great desk space which has everything you need for studying. There's even a pin board that you can decorate with posters and photos. The 3/4 size bed is really comfy, and one of the best things about this room is the attached bathroom. It's got a shower, toilet, sink and mirror, which is so useful and convenient.